All right, in this video, we're gonna unbox the 12-pack of solar fence lights. All right, so anyway, we've already opened it. We just got to pop her open like this. And here we are, looking at it. And look at them, they're like, all right, here they are. Let me just pull one out. There's like a whole bunch of them in here. But let me just go ahead and pull this out. And basically, this is it right here, look. There's your lights. Isn't that crazy? So this is the side with the light, right? And this is the side with the solar panel. So we've got to try these bad boys out and see how they work. They've got a little switch on the back, off and on, right? So right now I've got it in the off position. There's the on position, right? I think this one too. And then this one needs probably more charge. So let's go ahead and turn them off. And we're gonna try these bad boys out and see what we think. So here on this one side, what you would do is you have a little screw right that goes into the fence, and then this would slide down on it this way so that it's gonna light down. It's gonna be like a down light. So you can put these anywhere. I mean, and you're gonna have light shining down. And this is down lighting. I think it's gonna be awesome. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I got 12 of these. All right, I'll show you here in just a second. There's 2 in a pack, right? These are the 2 that I just took out. And there's a better look at the back of them, okay? So when you put them on the fence, they're gonna be like, this is the attitude of it. So like, let's say if you put it right here on the fence, it'd be like that. So it'd be shining down, and the sun would be hitting that solar panel on the top. And you know, you've got to take this off. There's a little plastic on it. Let me see if I can get this one off of here. This is a little protective thing that they have on it. So when you put them up, you want to pull this off. And now it's ready to go. And then I just got to put the screws in and then slide it down like that. And bam, we're going to have lighting all over the house. It's going to be cool. I think this is going to work great. I can't wait to try it. All right, and it also comes with this little handy dandy solar light, fence light. And apparently it's got it's got a little, this is great too right here. You can use this, you know, to put it on there, and then you can drill your holes. So you'll have them perfectly matched. So much easier. That's pretty cool. And does this open up? Oh yeah, here we go. All right, here's some more information on it, so you guys can see it. It's always good to read this. But, and then we'll go ahead and try these out. This is the unboxing. And so now we just need to do some installation. All right, so I pulled all the plastic off of them, and you also get this too. So you've got all the screws and all the anchors that you need for this. And I mean, that's a pretty good amount of lights right there. That's gonna be fun. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos.